Hi there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I know it's been such a long time since I posted a video, but I am back and I thought it would be kind of fun to do a Christmas haul, what I got for Christmas. I thought it would be kind of cute, and I got some pretty like cool stuff this year, so I wanted to share them with you guys. And I actually don't really know where to start. I don't know if I should start by like per person or like type of product, but I might just do it randomly. I might just go by my sister because she did get me quite a few things. She got me these, there's like a random sticker on it. She got me these Puma fluffy pink slides, which are so adorable. They're so freaking cute. I love these. They're so fluffy and comfortable. She got me these actually like a little bit before Christmas. I think she got them for me like during Black Friday, but she just like gave them to me when she got them. But I'm just gonna add them to this list because it was pretty close to Christmas. But on Christmas Day she got me another pair of slippers, and I think they're absolutely adorable. Look how freaking cute are these. They're little cow slippers. They're so freaking cute. They fit me perfectly. These ones are size 36 to 37. Does this one even have a size on it? Size 4. I don't know what that's in, but that's a size 4, and this one's a 36 to 37. So freaking cute. I actually love these. They're like not like a white, they're like an off beigey cream, which I feel like makes it look so much like nicer and softer than like a pure white. So I actually love these. They're so adorable. Every single time I look at them I just get like happy because I think they're so freaking cute. I'm the year of the cow, so my year was last year, and and I really like cows. I think cows are so adorable. So these are just it was pretty funny because when I was opening these out of the like wrapping, they like scared me because they were like fluffy, and like all I could see was like the black, and it just freaked me out. And I was like, and then I realized that they were cow slides, and I thought they were so cute, which was pretty funny. But the next thing that my sister got me, which is super exciting, I made it look really ugly. So it was like all tied up and pretty when she first gave it to me, but now it's kind of ugly. I took it apart. But she got me, I was super confused because I like don't really like Gucci. I like Gucci, but I don't really care that much for the brand. So when I saw her get me something from Gucci, I was like, oh, what is that? Like, what did I even want from Gucci? And then I realized, oh, it was meant to be this way, that I wanted the Gucci tights. Super cute. I've wanted like those like really cute tights for a while. Like I was always debating between Chanel and Gucci, but my sister got me the Gucci ones. I'll try them on in a clip for you guys because I feel like if I stretch them out you won't even be able to see them anyways. But they're super adorable. I can't wait to like style these because I'm starting to like, I really love the stocking, like the black sheer stockings with like loafers, boots, or like runners look. I think it's super cute, so I can't wait to style them. I feel like I want to do a lookbook styling this because I think it's absolutely adorable. I think that was all for the things that my sister got me by herself, but I do also like, since we went from Gucci, I might as well jump into the other kind of bougie gift. This was from my two best friends, so they both chipped in to get me this for Christmas. We didn't get to do birthdays this year because of COVID, so we always do like a really big Christmas present instead. And they got me this really cute, I think this was like wrapped really cute as well, but obviously I opened it when I was with them. It had like the ribbon and the I never know how to say these, camellias. It sounds wrong, but I don't think it is. It's the black one. I kind of wanted the white one because it's like their classic, but it's still really cute, and it came with like the really pretty gold and black ribbon. But you open it, Chanel, very beautiful. I don't know what this is. I think it's like a small receipt or like a care something. But they got me a Chanel brooch, which I absolutely love. I've wanted one for such a long time, so I'm super excited to start styling this and wearing this. I feel like I might also do a video trying to style this piece. I don't know yet, but it's super freaking adorable. I just love brooches because I feel like sometimes you just put a brooch on and it just makes you look really like elegant and cool. So I wanted one for such a long time, so I'm super excited to start trying to style this piece. So gorgeous. But that was from them. And they also got me this gorgeous Dior lip gloss. I've been like obsessed with Dior lip glosses. I think I bought like 2 last year and I love them both very, very much. So when I saw this, I was like super excited. It's so freaking beautiful. This one's in the shade 010 Hollow Pink, and it's a lip plumper. And it's glittery. It's so freaking gorgeous. You know how much I love my glitter, so I honestly don't even know if you can see that. But it's like glittery. And it's just so pretty. It doesn't feel like tingly on my hand right now. I honestly don't know if you can see that. But I love Dior lip products and I love a good lip plumper. So I'm so happy. They know me so well. They were like, I'm so excited for you because you're going to love this. And of course I do because it's glitter. I love anything glittery. So gorgeous. So I also got, my little brother got me this gorgeous, adorable purple hoodie. And it's just like a really nice big oversized purple hoodie, and then there's a moon and then like a girl, which I feel like is Alice in Wonderland inspired. The art is super adorable. So she's just like holding a little bunny, and I love moons and I love bunnies and like magical looking things, so I feel like this is why he got this for me. It's super cute and I wore it the other day. It's like so comfortable and it like sits so perfectly. Some oversized hoodies like sit weirdly sometimes, but this one just like sits perfectly. It's like the perfect type of oversized that like looks nice and comfortable. And purple is my favorite color and I love pastel purple, so I feel like he knew that, so he got me this super adorable hoodie. It's so cute. I love it. I love hoodies. So the next product, I feel like I got them on Christmas, but I think it was like kind of for my birthday and Christmas. So my siblings got this for me, both of them, my sister and my brother. But they got me like the gua sha thing. So they got me this pink one in like the rose quartz design. I'm pretty sure they got it off like Amazon. It was pretty funny because they used my Amazon account, so they were like, don't look at your order, okay? And I was like, okay. But yeah, gua sha jade stone. I don't know what brand this is. It just shows you like how to use it on the back, which is like really cute. But it's a gorgeous like rose quartz. These feel so bougie because they're glass. I've never had one, so I was like, damn. But I really wanted to get one because I want like that, you know. 2022 is going to be our hot year, so I need a snatched everything. But they got me another one. How the hell do I open this? So they got me this one as well in a white, which is, oops, I took out that whole thing. In a white, which is ASMR. Super gorgeous. It was really cute because my brother was like really excited for me to open this one because he says it looks like a wing, and it does. It's like white and it looks like a wing. And I have like a bit of an obsession with the, like, if you know me, I'm a bit obsessed with Cardcaptor Sakura, and Clamp likes to do that like what's that word? Clamp likes to do that like trademark wing design that they use in their logo sometimes, and I'm obsessed with it. So it's super cute, and this kind of looks like that. So he was like, you're gonna love it, it's so cute and it's adorable. I really like it. This one's bigger and it has like the 3 curves. Super cute. I can't wait to use them. So adorable. I actually have no idea how to use these, so I need to like look at videos and figure that shit out. And the last product is this really cute jewelry, like traveling jewelry kit. I want to say my parents got me this, which was absolutely adorable. They got me like a lot of random like homeware stuff. I feel like they just buy me presents for the house and they just say it's a Christmas present. But they did get me this one that I did really like, and it's a cute jewelry box. I actually already have jewelry in it because I was gonna take it with me when I went to Gold Coast. I was meant to go to Gold Coast for New Year's, but I got COVID literally right at the end of 2022, so that didn't happen. But I have all of my really cute jewelry in here that I was gonna bring with me, but you know, it's fine. I didn't get to buy myself like Christmas presents this year, but I did splurge hell of a lot during my 7-day ISO. I'm still sick. I'm not sick, but I still have like an itchy throat. It's been more than 7 days and I still have, I don't even know. But I did buy a whole bunch of stuff during my ISO because I was really upset, which I am going to do a haul on. So when all that comes, look out for a haul. But I did buy these rings like kind of close to Christmas. I'm just gonna say it was like a present to myself. There's a lot of cute ones in here, but these were the 3 that I brought recently that I'm a little bit obsessed with. I wear a lot of earrings and necklaces, but I feel like I want to start getting into rings because I got my nails done for Gold Coast and I didn't end up going, but now that I've had them done, I'm a bit obsessed, and I feel like just having pretty nails makes me feel like so pretty. So I need pretty rings to like make my hands stand out more, you know. So I have this one, which is super adorable. It's like a little butterfly with a pearl. Whoops, I just dropped them both. I got this one as well because I just like loved the colors on that one. Like the flowers are just so cute. It's like small and dainty, but the colors are just so cute and like pretty. It's such a colorful, it's like a rainbow flower, which I love. And of course I had to get this one. I don't really wear rose gold that much, but this ring was just like way too cute not to get because it like dangles. I think this one only fits on my like engagement finger. Yeah, but I don't really care about like wearing rings on specific fingers. My lipstick is still on my hand, but this one is so cute. It's like blossoms and there's something like a little flower dangling, and you guys know I'm obsessed with cherry blossoms, so anything that like looks remotely flowery and cute I'm obsessed with. So I picked that one up as well. This is pretty much like, I would say, my Christmas present to myself, but when I show you guys my COVID 7-day lockdown, I was buying things for like a lot past the 7 days because I was super sick. When I show you guys that haul, that would be my like more of my like Christmas present to myself haul, I reckon. But yeah, so those are pretty much all of the gifts that I got for Christmas. I love them all so much. They're super adorable. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in my next one.